In this video we will be setting up categories and products for your shop with APPOS.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Simona. And today we are going to go over to show you how to create new products in APPOS and categorize them for your shop. So briefly, let's understand what categories and products are.
Products are items or services that you sell in your shop or company. A category is a container for your products based on same general type attributes, so your products will be organized and convenient for selling in your store. Here you can see an example of multiple products in 6 different categories with products listed under these categories.
Let's go back to our shop and let's create our products and categories. In your new shop you can click on the categories button, or slide your mouse or finger on the left-hand edge of the invoice screen, moving it from left to right for the settings menu screen to appear. Choose Inventory, and then Category. Fill in the category name that you want to assign. Let's call this category Burgers. If you want this category to be an active category, then slide it to Active. If you want to show this category as a button on your screen, slide the pause button to On. You can now select the color for the category. I have chosen a light brown for this category. Click on the Save button to save this category. Now let's go back and see if our category button has been created.
You can see the category Burgers is below the products screen.
Let's create another category called Drinks. Let's make this an active category and we want the button to display in the pause, so let's put both sliders on and select color red for the button.
Now let's create some products for these categories.
Slide your finger on the left-hand side of the invoice screen and on the Inventory tab choose Products. Let's add a first product called Hamburger which will be set under the category Burgers. Enter a product name, an optional product description, an optional barcode which you can also scan, using the scanner barcode, by clicking on the button next to barcode. A product price is mandatory and the category choice is also mandatory, and, in this case, we shall choose the category Burgers. If you have multiple GST slabs, then choose the GST slab for this product. In our case this is a 0% GST product. Leave the unit for now as 1 unit. We will come back to units later after we go through setting up different unit types like kilos, hours, dozens, meters, etc., in detail. Make this product active and slide the pause button on, if you want this product to show on the quick access buttons. An add-on is a product that is added on to another product. For example, if you wanted extra cheese on your pizza then the extra cheese would be an add-on. This product is not an add-on so leave the add-on slider as off. To display this product button, we can do so in 3 ways. The first button type displayed is a button with only the text description and the price. The second type is an image button with just the price, and the third button has a text description, image and price. For this product we shall use the example of the third type, the text and image type button with the price. Click on the pencil on the image and choose the appropriate image for this product. Click on the Save button and let's go to the Products screen to have a look at our first product.
We can see that our hamburger is now added to our products screen.
Now let's add another product and this time we shall add in a Coke. Fill in the details like the last product except for the display I've chosen image only. Now let's go back to the products screen and compare the different product buttons.
Notice the hamburger has its description and the Coke does not have any description but just the image and the price.
Now let's go back to the products setup and copy our Coke product for other drinks like Sprite and Fanta. In the right-hand bottom corner of the Coke product tab, click on the copy button. Notice that a product copy of Coke has been created below the Coke product. Click on the pencil to edit the Coke copy. Change the product name to Sprite, the Active and Pause button tabs to On, and insert the new picture and save this product.
This way you can quickly create new products from an existing product.
Now let's create another copy for Fanta. Click on the Copy tab for the Coke and take the product name to Fanta. We are going to create this product differently from the previous products, as we do not want to see Fanta on the Quick Access screen, and only want to see it in the Categories button tab. Change the product name to Fanta and make it active, but this time notice that I have set the pause slider to off. Change the image and let's go back to the products screen.
Notice the Fanta button is not shown in the Quick Product Access screen. However, because it is active, it is seen on double-clicking on the Categories tab for drinks as it belongs to the drinks category. This way you can separate the fast-selling products to be shown on the Quick Access products screen, and the slow-moving products can reside within their categories and not clutter the Quick Access products screen.